Hello, I'm Victor. Today we'll explore the various holidays taking place on April 23rd. Prepare to have fun with loved ones or simply relax on your own. Happy birthday to those celebrating today. You might discover a holiday below that's perfect for your special day. National Email Day is not an officially recognized holiday or commemoration day. However, it could be an informal day to celebrate the invention and impact of email on our daily lives. Email has revolutionized the way we communicate, making it possible to instantly send and receive messages from anywhere in the world. The history of email dates back to the early 1970s when Ray Tomlinson, an American computer programmer, developed the first networked email system. The @ symbol, which is now synonymous with email addresses, was also introduced by Tomlinson to separate the user's name from the host computer's name. World Book Day. World Book Day, also known as World Book and Copyright Day or International Day of the Book, is an annual event organized by the United Nations Educational, Scientific, and Cultural Organization, UNESCO, to promote reading, publishing, and copyright. It is celebrated on April 23rd each year, a date chosen to coincide with the anniversary of the deaths of prominent authors William Shakespeare and Miguel de Cervantes. The main objective of World Book Day is to encourage people of all ages to discover the joy of reading and to appreciate the contributions of authors and their works. The day also serves as an opportunity to highlight the importance of literacy and education and to acknowledge the role of books in fostering cultural development and mutual understanding among people. On World Book Day, various activities and events are organized globally, including book fairs, author visits, readings, workshops, seminars, and book donation drives. In some countries, the day is celebrated by distributing free or discounted books to children and young people to encourage a love for reading. The idea for World Book Day was initially proposed by the Spanish writer and publisher Vicente Clavel Andrés in 1923. The day was first celebrated in Spain in 1926 and later, in 1995, it was adopted by UNESCO to be observed internationally. Since then, World Book Day has been celebrated annually by millions of people across the globe. Army Reserve's Birthday. The United States Army Reserve celebrates its birthday on April 23rd each year. The Army Reserve is a vital component of the U.S. Army, providing trained and ready soldiers to support the nation's defense during times of war and national emergencies, as well as to assist with peacetime missions and humanitarian efforts. The Army Reserve was established on April 23, 1908, when the U.S. Congress passed legislation creating the Medical Reserve Corps, which later became the Army Reserve. This marked the beginning of a Federal Reserve Force that could augment the regular Army when necessary. Over the years, the role and scope of the Army Reserve have evolved significantly. Today, the Army Reserve consists of more than 200,000 soldiers and civilian personnel who serve in various capacities, including combat support, combat service support, and specialized training. The Army Reserve's birthday is an opportunity to recognize and honor the service and sacrifices of reserve soldiers, their families, and their employers. Events and celebrations typically include unit gatherings, ceremonies, and activities to build camaraderie and raise awareness of the importance of the Army Reserve in the nation's defense. International English Language Day. International English Language Day is celebrated annually on April 23rd. The day aims to raise awareness about the history, culture, and accomplishments associated with the English language. It also serves as an opportunity to promote linguistic and cultural diversity and to encourage learning and the use of English as a global means of communication. The date was chosen because it is traditionally believed to be the birthday and death anniversary of William Shakespeare, one of the most famous English language playwrights and poets. Shakespeare's works have had a significant impact on the English language and literature, making the day an apt choice for celebrating the language. International English Language Day is one of the 6 Union Language Days dedicated to promoting the use and appreciation of the 6 official languages of the United Nations: Arabic, Chinese, English, French, Russian, and Spanish. These language days were established by the UN Department of Public Information in 2010 to foster multilingualism and cultural diversity within the organization. National Picnic Day. National Picnic Day is a delightful celebration that encourages friends, family, and communities to come together and enjoy the outdoors. Observed annually on April 23rd, this special day provides an opportunity for people to step away from their busy lives and reconnect with nature, while sharing a meal with their loved ones. Picnics have been a cherished tradition for centuries, with roots tracing back to 18th century Europe. Today, the spirit of the picnic remains strong, as people of all ages and backgrounds gather in parks, beaches, and other scenic locations to relish in the simple pleasures of good food and conversation. So, on this National Picnic Day, grab your favorite people, pack a delicious meal, and head outdoors to appreciate the beauty of nature and the joy of good company. That's it for today, and have a fantastic time celebrating.